What a beautiful morning!
Good morning, Mr. Sam.
Good morning, Grace. Perfect timing. I'm going to the market. Would you like to come with me?
Yes, please. I would love to.
Are you buying lots of food today?
Enough to last the week. But I think the market has something interesting to teach today.
Teach? It's just a market. People buy fruits, vegetables, rice, bread. That's what markets are for.
Is that all?
I think so.
Okay, let's go find out.
Is there really something to learn in a place that just sells fruits and vegetables? What do you think Mr. Sam is trying to show us? Wow, it's so busy!
What do you notice?
People, food, and numbers!
Good morning! Fresh sweet oranges! Come and have a look!
4 oranges for $2 and 10 oranges for $4.50. I know which one I'd buy.
Oh, which one?
The first basket. It's cheaper.
Is it?
Of course. $2 is less than $4.50.
Maybe, maybe not.
What do you mean?
Let me ask you one question. How much does one orange cost?
1 orange? 4 oranges cost $2, so $2 divided by 4. That's 50 cents each.
Good. Now try the second basket.
$4.50 divided by 10. That's 45 cents. Wait, the second basket costs more altogether, but each orange is actually cheaper.
Exactly.
I was looking at the wrong number.
Many shoppers do. So which one are you buying?
We are definitely buying 10 oranges for $4.50.
So I shouldn't just look at the total price.
That's right.
I should find out how much 1 orange costs first.
Now you're thinking like a mathematician. Fresh rice! Best quality! Come and have a look!
Oh, I think I know what to do. 2 kilograms cost $8. 5 kilograms cost $18. 8 divided by 2 gives $4 per kilogram. 18 divided by 5 gives $3.60 per kilogram.
Smart, Grace.
I've got it. The bigger bag is the better bargain.
How do you know?
Because each kilogram costs less. The total price is higher, but each kilogram is cheaper.
Excellent. Looks like someone is becoming a very smart shopper.
I'm still learning. Give us 5 kilograms for $18. I almost made the same mistake again. I used to think the cheaper price was always the better deal.
Many people think that.
But now, I think every price tag is asking a question.
What question?
Which choice gives me more for my money?
Exactly. That's the question every smart shopper asks.
Oh, another choice.
What do you notice this time?
One sign says buy 2, get 1 free, and the other says 25% off.
Which one do you think is the better bargain?
Let's imagine 1 box costs $4. If I buy 2, I pay $8 and I get 3 boxes. So each box costs about $2.67. Now the other offer, 25% off. That means $1 off. So each box costs
$3.
$3. So the buy 2 get 1 free offer gives me each box for less money.
And how do you know?
Because I compared the cost of 1 box, not just the words on the sign.
Exactly. Never let a fancy sign do your thinking. Let the numbers decide. That's a lesson every shopper should learn.
I'm starting to like shopping with math. Grandpa, look at the juices.
Which one should we get?
This big one has more.
Good eye, Grace. I wonder which one.
Wait, I know what you're going to ask.
Oh?
You're going to ask, how much does 1 liter cost?
I don't think I need to ask anymore.
Let's see, the small bottle costs $3.20 for 1 liter, so that's $3.20 per liter.
Exactly.
Per liter. The large bottle costs $5.80 for 2 liters, So that's $2.90 per liter. So the larger bottle gives us more juice for every dollar we spend.
And your choice is?
The 2-liter bottle.
That's exactly the one most careful shoppers choose.
I didn't just compare the prices, I compared the value.
Well said. Let's get the big one, Grace. Good choice, sir.
Yay! Thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome, sweetie.
The market's so fun.
It is.
You know, I thought today was just about buying groceries.
And now?
Now I see something completely different.
What do you see?
I see numbers. I see numbers. I see prices. I see kilograms. I see liters. I see people making choices.
And every choice has a little math behind it.
Which is better?
Exactly. Math isn't only something you learn, it's something you use every single day.
I don't think I'll ever look at a market the same way again.
I hope not.
Mr. Sam,
Yes?
I have one more math question.
Oh,
Were those chocolate cookies the best value? Or did you just want cookies?
you caught me. Not every decision needs a calculator. Sometimes you simply want cookies.
So today's lesson is you should always compare prices unless you're buying cookies?
I think that's a special rule.
Can I write that in my notebook?
Absolutely not. You can't write down all the special rules.
Okay, Grandpa. Before you go, I have today's math detective tip. When you're shopping, don't just look at the total price. For example, these oranges. Ask yourself, how much does one item cost?
Good question.
Or, how much does 1 kilogram cost? You're thinking. Or, how much does 1 liter cost? Exactly. When you compare the cost of one item, it's much easier to find the best bargain. So remember, smart shoppers always compare the unit price, and that's another clue for every math detective. See you on our next adventure.
I wonder where we'll discover math next.
I guess we'll have to find out.
Bye.